Pieces of the UTurn Terminator vending machine. We'll go through each piece. It'll come disassembled. You have two bases. The bottom base, you can tell, has the black bottom with the part that turns. The middle base does not have that, just has the hole. This is what you're going to put on top of the canisters. You'll have the black pole that goes over the base. You'll have the 31-inch rod that goes on the top, and the 24-inch rod that goes through the base. You'll have two freshness seals, one for the top, one for the bottom. You'll have a lid with a lock. Like it said, this is a 0038 key that will work this lock. You can buy it on eBay, and it has the thing on here. I'm going to take the lock apart to ship. All it is a nut on the bottom. You'll take that nut off, put it back through, just so you can assemble it easier, put your own lock on. So I'll take that off, and the lock will come separately, and there'll just be a hole there, and then the coin slot. You'll have 4 large canisters and 4 small canisters. You'll have 2 of these that go on the rod that holds the canisters in the back. You'll have 4 coin boxes for the top, 4 coin boxes for the bottom. You'll have 1 nut that goes on the bottom of the base, a washer that goes on the bottom of the base with a nut that goes on the bottom of the base, and you'll have the black base plate. You can tell the difference. The machine is set up with 7 candy canisters. You can differentiate the candy canisters because they're half solid, and then they have the slot in the back to adjust the slot, or to adjust how much candy is going to dispense out of each candy dispenser. You just remove these 4 screws. The whole thing will come out, and you will pull that out and adjust it. I'll put out another video that will show how to do that. You have 2 candy canisters with a spring. These are used for the candies that tend to stick together, like Ike and Mike's, hot tamales. 2 with the spring. And you will have 1 gumball canister, which looks much different than the candy canister. It has the 3 springs and the 3 gumball holes. To assemble the machine, all you have to do to start is take the base, lay it on the side. You're going to take the 24-inch rod that has the nut in place to hold it already. You have a threaded spot on the bottom of the base. This just hand tightens in to where it meets the mechanism. You can tighten it up some. Just usually get it hand tight. If you ever need to replace this rod, it's a 5/16 threaded rod that you can buy at Lowe's for about $2. The nuts are 5/16 nuts, which costs about 10 cents, and the only tool that you need to assemble this machine is a 1/2 inch wrench. I use a smaller one because there are a couple of tight spots where you need to put them in. Then you take the black pole, slide it over the rod up into the base. Just make it easier. Set that on the side. Go take the black base plate, set it over the rod. Can show up here. Take the washer, put on the bottom, take the lock, put it on, 1/2 inch wrench. That's tight. Take the whole machine. Please excuse my daughter.